Chimney repair, understanding and solving common issues. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, chimney repair. We'll break down what this means, why it's important, and some common scenarios where you might encounter this term. Whether you're a homeowner, a language enthusiast, or just curious, this video will help you understand all about chimney repair. Chimney repair refers to the process of fixing and maintaining the structure of a chimney. Chimneys are vertical structures, typically found in houses, that provide a safe passage for smoke and gases from a fireplace, furnace, or stove to exit the building. Over time, chimneys can suffer from wear and tear, weather damage, or other issues that need fixing. This section will explain the parts of a chimney and common problems that require repair. Maintaining a chimney is crucial for safety and efficiency. A damaged chimney can lead to dangerous situations like fires or carbon monoxide poisoning. We will discuss the safety aspects and efficiency benefits of keeping your chimney in good condition. This section emphasizes the importance of regular inspections and maintenance. Here, we'll explore typical issues that chimneys face, such as cracks, blockages, or wear in the lining. We'll provide examples of each problem and discuss how they are typically repaired. This section is great for understanding the practical aspects of chimney repair. Can you repair a chimney yourself, or should you always call a professional? This section will cover the pros and cons of both approaches. We'll also provide tips on when to seek professional help and what to expect from a chimney repair service. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding the concept of chimney repair. Remember, maintaining your chimney is not just about the structure itself, but also about ensuring the safety and well-being of those in your home. Stay safe, and happy learning!